let's see what's in this shit. So, Toro snowblower, single stage, Stihl BR 800 Magnum, Stihl BR 200, Stihl HS 45, hedge trimmer, and MS 250 chainsaw, and 2 generators, snowblower, 2 snowblowers, chainsaw back here, vintage chainsaw up there. Yeah, and then this machine over here, cabinet, tools, and a Stihl FS56. Echo PB9010T backpack blower. Stihl FS94R straight shaft with a new trimmer head. Home Light curve shaft, 26cc. This is a 24cc. And yeah, Echo blower, snow blower, BR 800 Magnum, Stihl BR 200, MS 250, Husqvarna chainsaw, 2 Craftsman chainsaws, and a machine over here. I don't know what that's called. And then there's extra gas cans over here. So, and a spool trim line. So, furniture cabinet and some miscellaneous stuff. You have all the gas can, and that's pretty much in this shed, and also the barn channel for the chainsaws and 2 generators. And tools over here, you have like your rakes, soft rake, hard rake, shovels, all different kinds of tools, vacuum. That's pretty much it in this shed. 1 second. BR 800 Magnum.